Alright, so I'm filming with Coachworks today for their shop opening with this. I'm gonna wear a GoPro the whole day, and yeah, let's see what happens. How do you film a video in that style? To start, combining speed ramping and your movement is the trick. Here are two different examples of shot combinations. Alright, so that's the first shot combo, attempting to create fluid motion through 4 different clips. Keep an eye on our channel because we're also going to be doing an editing side for this style of content. So if you want to learn how to do that, then yeah, check back in.